Okay, I have to keep this from the last example so I can continue with it. I will need all of them printed on the same screen, so we'll differentiate them. So for the second color, let's use locate. I won't use CLS again because it's there and the system already know what to do with the previous code. Locate 7 and 15. You know what this is? And then I will like it to print on that particular row and column, learning coding. I'm learning coding, something, or whatever it is you want to print there. And of course, it is going to show the two, the first example and the second example, but on different places on the screen. Can you see? On different places on the screen. Okay? Then let me have one more example and we'll be done for this particular one. And the example will be, let's say, color 4 and yes, color 4. Then locate, let's say at 10 and 20, rule 10, column 20, print for me on the screen. What do I print here now? Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching. Okay, maybe I should change this one to another color. Example 2, maybe color 2. I want to separate the example so you can see the code. This for 1, this for 2, this for 3. So let's run our code now and I'll be done about this particular topic, example about this particular topic. Let's see how it appears. Different location on the screen, different text color, different background color. Okay? Is it coming up? Yes, of course. Wow. The first one has a yellow text color and blue background. The second one, something more like that related, but a green text color. Remember what I said about green text code? And then of course, that is 2, green. 4, that is red. And of course, that is what you are seeing here exactly. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, comment, and then invite others to follow the page. See you in the next class.